So we got this water flosser from Amazon, and it's an unknown company. It's written like Portable, should be L by the way. Portable water flosser, XVP01, and we are going to unbox it and see what's inside in it. Alright, it has some specification written on it, like it's saying it's a 2-minute timer, safe material, 360 portable, IPX7 waterproof, power off protection. Box. Nice, looks good. This is the manual. It's a kit. Bag, you can say. It's a USB charger. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accessories. Or you can see like it's the outlet from where the water will come out. Oh, it's quite big. Oh, very neat. Nice. Looks very posh. The design is very nice, I would say. Oh, nice. Interesting. And this is from where you can serve water. And then it has on off. There are multiple modes: high, medium, low. I don't know what is CH, but we'll see. So let's, oh, there is no plug in it, so we have to use our plug, USB plug, to charge it. I'm not sure if it's charged or not. Let's see. Oh, it is. So it is charged. It means we can use it. So give us some time and let us put water in it and then see how it goes. So we got water in it, and now what we are going to do, we are going to use the outlet. I don't know which direction it should go, but there's a, okay, that's done. And what should I do is, like, I'll try to see the pressure. 1, 2, 3. So I can stop it. Oh, let's see how much pressure is this. Okay, and I'm going to use the other one and see what happens. In another accessory. Oops. Okay. And we are going to use another one to see, they are different one, but I am not able to understand the difference between these two. I think maybe this is more refined and this is less refined, or again, this looks same to me, but there must be something. Okay, let's see what is this one. This looks different. So this is something different, and it's just a wash, I guess. It's not a floss, something else. And again, same thing, more refined, I would say. Oh, this is good. Yeah, like I can feel it. Like it's, yeah, it's like this one is good. Anyway, so I think that I might not need all of these. Just this one for practical use. There's a manual. There's a manual, and it's in English and in Chinese as well. But it looks pretty simple. So I'm going to use it on my teeth, and I'm not going to show that. And then I will share my review, and then see how it goes.
So I have done some testing on my teeth. I have used mouth freshener, and the water pressure is good enough to penetrate inside cavities, and it can go deep within your teeth. I am having a very fresh feeling. My mouth is fresh. It is the same feeling which we usually have after visiting a dentist. So this is really good. So let me demonstrate using corn, and I have put jam on the corn, and I will use water flosser and see how it goes. You will definitely like it, and it will surprise you a lot. um, it can show you how deep the water can go and clean it. So let's watch this. Within $50, this is something remarkable. I had a root canal treatment which costed me thousands seriously. So I would recommend to have this in your cabinet. This is really worthy to invest it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.